Greetings from Dr. Uddhav Kumbar. I am going to tell you about emergency kit and must-haves in OPD. I am deliberately keeping the prices of it so that it will be very useful to many. The ambu bag and its various attachment like bulb, face mask, oxygen reservoir, and with this pipe you can attach it to oxygen cylinder and to deliver the oxygen. This is the emergency CPR pocket mask with one-way wall so that the transmission of disease will not be there from patient to the receiver. This is the Macintosh type blade type laryngoscope, can be used in adults, whereas this is the Miller's blade type laryngoscope, can be used in pediatric for endotracheal intubation. Then various medicines like normal saline used for injection preparation and wound syringing. Injection hydrocort can be used in the allergic reactions. Injection amiodarone for management of arrhythmia and emergency cases. Injection Avil can be used for in managing angioneurotic edema and the anaphylactic cases. Also, we must have injection atropine and adrenaline in our kit so that they will be helpful in the managing various emergency situation. Tablet Disprin is a must for managing any chest pain in suspected myocardial infarction. Zolam nasal spray is used in the pediatric as well as adult convulsion emergencies. Oxygen cylinder prices are increasing due to COVID pandemic, but it is a must have in the OPDs. Then first aid kit containing gauze, syringes, gloves, scissors are very must in the emergency kit. Thank you for watching.